Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. From you see the title, you see the thumbnail, you definitely have an understanding of what this video is about, yeah? Alright, so recently I did a short video, like a minute and a half video on my channel, which I said that I was going to try to find a crocodile and also wrestle a brown snake, which is a venomous snake. And I can't believe how many people thought that video was actually real. I've always been hearing that crocodiles in Australia are very friendly. Like literally, if you go on Google and search up New South Wales, which is where I'm living, literally crocodiles don't live in this region because it gets too cold for them winter. Crocodiles generally cannot survive in colder temperature. Their skin are very sensitive and they will not survive long in this region. So the day I actually went fishing at the river and this idea came to my mind, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try something calling a croc. So them told me that all I need to do is splash. Crocky, croc, where are you? And you guys actually fall for it. Like, the only person that actually realized that the video was not real, Island, what? So the only person that realized that the video wasn't real was Lucy. Lucy realized that the video wasn't real. But big up to all the people that were concerned and thought that I was crazy, you know what I mean? Yes? Mom is coming. Yes, so I mean, and I apologize to all the people as well that actually, you know, got scared. But yeah. Alright, I love it. I'm coming. Yeah, so big up to everybody same way, and yeah. But maybe I'll do another video again. But for the people that watch this video now, you will all know that it's not real, alright? But think about it. I'm a black man living here. The moment I do a video like this, everybody will think it's obviously like I'm crazy, you know what I mean? But yeah, big up to everybody same way. It's Island Boy Africa. Stay tuned for the fishing video though, and also the garden videos. I have those to come out. Blessings. So I am a Jamaican living in Australia. So I'm actually at this river. This location is actually crocodile infested water, and I just want to find this out for myself because I'm very curious, you know. Oh, what was that? Something just jumped from the tree. Oh my god, this place is full of wildlife, I'm telling you. But let me show you the location. Yeah, so this is full of wildlife, trust me. Crocodile infested water, venomous snakes, and all of these things are here. So I need to find out if I can. I heard that they're very friendly, so, and I can actually play with them. So I'll be waiting for a croc to show up any moment now. Crocky, come on. Still waiting. All right, so today is my bad day. I cannot find any croc, so I guess they're out feeding. So until next time, I'll be searching until I find a crocodile. And also stay tuned for when I wrestle a venomous snake.